Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Ex-Goldman Sachs executive predicts 10x for Solana, says really good trade approaching. Next, Bitcoin strength wanes as crypto market stuck in 5-month structurally ordered downtrend. Also, PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin hits $1 billion market cap. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, ex-Goldman Sachs executive predicts 10x for Solana, says really good trade approaching. Ex-Goldman Sachs executive Raoul believes that Ethereum competitor Solana could have a massive price explosion this cycle. In a new interview on the Empire podcast, Powell predicts that Solana will put up somewhere around 900% gains in the coming months. The whole space goes up a lot in the next 12 months. I think Solana does maybe 10x from here, and Bitcoin does 5x or 4x from here. That kind of stuff, typical bull market. Solana is trading at $154 at time of writing, while Bitcoin is priced at $61,963. According to Powell, Bitcoin may peak this cycle between approximately $248,000 and $310,000. Powell also says that he wouldn't be surprised if another Layer 1 project suddenly emerges as a top market performer. The main thing that I'm starting to think through is there is always another Layer 1 race, which is early stage when you don't have proven network effects. That bet is actually a good bet. It's not one you go all in on, but that bet was the Solana bet of last cycle, the ETH bet of the previous cycle. So I'm thinking through that because I reckon there's a really good trade to come, and it's a lot of fun, but it comes very quickly and it usually gets overvalued and then goes down 95% afterward. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Bitcoin strength wanes as crypto market stuck in 5-month structurally ordered downtrend. Bitcoin's weekend rally to $65,000 has evaporated despite confirmation that the U.S. Federal Reserve will cut rates in 2024. Bitcoin rallied to $65,000 over the weekend, August 24th to August 25th, extending the 3-week recovery from the August 5th crash to $49,500. With prices returning to many investors' comfort zones, traders are probably wondering whether to expect more of the same range trading, consolidation, or a range expansion to new highs. Let's look at a few Bitcoin price data points to see if it's time for BTC to break out of its current range. DXY falls to a year-to-date low. The interplay between the US dollar index, or DXY, and BTC is a frequent indicator traders watch when estimating where Bitcoin price might go. For many, the logic is a weak DXY is often matched with a rally in BTC price and vice versa. Last week, DXY fell to a year-to-date low under 101, and as shown on the chart below, Bitcoin price climbed out of the $53,000 range. Real Vision chief crypto analyst Jamie Coots recently highlighted the DXY to BTC price action dynamic, saying, "Unless something fundamentally has changed, we are entering what @Raoul GMI refers to as the banana zone, or what I would describe as Bitcoin batshit season." Powell finally says what crypto pundits have been waiting for. On August 23rd, U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell finally said that the time is ripe for an interest rate cut, although he declined to specify the size of the cut. Many crypto traders have grounded a large portion of their investment thesis on their belief that Fed rate cuts will eventually lead back to the previous policy of quantitative easing and that this money supply expansion will play a role in Bitcoin's price discovery. CryptoQuant analysts noted Bitcoin price rising in excess of 6% shortly after Powell's statement, and that two-year bond yields declined to the lowest level since March 2023. Market participants at Wall Street also have bullish expectations for stocks now that the Fed has confirmed that interest rate cuts are coming. Bitcoin demand is muted as equilibrium returns. Bitcoin's mean reversion to $65,000 is corroborated by data from Glassnode suggesting that BTC is back in a zone of equilibrium. According to Glassnode, the MVRV deviation bands metric shows that investor profitability has essentially reset to an equilibrium position and that the excitement and exuberance after the ETF launch have cooled off completely. Bitcoin's global percent in profit metrics also has returned to its long-standing mean value, reflecting the status of equilibrium within BTC markets. Despite Bitcoin's price breakout to $65,000, data shows muted investor demand for BTC. CryptoQuant notes that Bitcoin demand growth remains at low levels and even has turned negative in the last few weeks. The analysts detail Bitcoin demand slowly considerably since April when BTC traded above $70,000. Demand has declined from a 30-day growth of 496,000 Bitcoin, the highest since January 2021, to a current negative growth of 36,000 currently. As demand slowed, prices declined from around $70,000 to a low of $49,000. Glassnode analysts also observed a noticeable decline in Bitcoin liquidation volumes versus the activity that was seen during BTC's all-time high in March. Citing the ratio between Bitcoin price and the net liquidation volume volatility, the analysts conclude that traders' appetite for risk and leverage is muted at the moment. Our next top headline, PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin hits $1 billion market cap. PYUSD is competing with rivals such as Circle's USDC and Tether's USDT. PayPal's US dollar-pegged stablecoin, PayPal-USD, has surpassed $1 billion in total market capitalization, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Launched in 2023, PayPal-USD is backed 1-to-1 by US dollars and is issued by Paxos Trust Company, a U.S.-regulated crypto custodian. It competes with other regulated dollar-backed stablecoins such as Circle, Internet Financial's USD Coin. The shift toward digital currencies requires a stable instrument that is both digitally native and easily connected to fiat currency, like the U.S. dollar, said Dan Schulman, PayPal's president and CEO, in a 2023 statement. An Ethereum-compatible ERC20 token, PYUSD, is the only stablecoin supported on PayPal's payment rails. It is designed to be available to an already large and growing community of external developers, wallets, and Web3 applications, and easily onboarded by cryptocurrency exchanges, according to PayPal. PayPal has been taking steps to expand PYUSD's accessibility, including working with Anchorage Digital to launch a rewards program for clients who custody PayPal USD stablecoins with the crypto custodian. In May, PayPal launched PYUSD on Solana, partnering with Crypto.com, Phantom, and Paxos to on-ramp users onto the blockchain network. It also partnered with Web3 infrastructure provider MoonPay to buy cryptocurrency using a PayPal account. That partnership extended to on-ramping users to crypto betting platform Polymarket in July. Coinbase, which also has an institutional custody arm, incentivizes users to hold stablecoins on its platform as well. It currently offers approximately 5.2% annual percentage yield on USDC. Coinbase owns an equity stake in Circle. Despite its recent successes, PYUSD still greatly lags behind dollar-pegged stablecoins Tether, and USDC. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the two leading stablecoins command market capitalizations of nearly $118 billion and $35 billion, respectively. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.